Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is complexity. Complexity, as a noun, refers to the state of being complex, that is, difficult to understand or deal with because of involving many different parts or aspects. In simpler terms, it means something is intricate, involved, or has many layers. We often use it when things aren't straightforward or easy to grasp. For example, the complexity of the situation made it difficult to find a solution. Now, let's explore some synonyms for complexity. A good synonym is intricacy. Think of a beautifully designed clock with all its gears and springs. That's intricacy. The intricacy of the dance choreography was stunning. Another synonym is complication. This emphasizes the difficulty aspect of complexity. For instance, a sudden power outage added another complication to the already difficult surgery. We can also use sophistication as a synonym, especially when talking about systems or technologies. The sophistication of their new security system made it virtually impenetrable. Another strong synonym is involvedness. This highlights the many parts and layers involved. The involvedness of the legal process can be daunting for many people. Finally, consider the word nuance. While not a direct synonym, it speaks to the subtle and often overlooked aspects that contribute to complexity. Understanding the nuance of the argument is crucial for making an informed decision. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms, words that mean the opposite of complexity. The most obvious antonym is simplicity. The beauty of the design lay in its simplicity. Another antonym is ease. The ease with which she solved the problem surprised everyone. We can also use clarity. The speaker presented the information with remarkable clarity. Another antonym to consider is facility, meaning ease of doing something. He showed a great facility for languages. Lastly, think about obviousness. The answer's obviousness made everyone feel a little foolish for not seeing it sooner. So, how can we use complexity in everyday life? Well, think about describing a recipe. You might say, "The recipe looks delicious, but the level of complexity scares me a little." Or consider a project at work. We need to simplify the process to reduce the overall complexity. You might also hear expressions like "it adds another layer of complexity," meaning it makes something even more complicated. Another common phrase is "dealing with the complexity of," followed by "whatever you're finding difficult to manage." Let's put complexity into some more sentences. The complexity of international relations requires careful diplomacy. The software update aims to reduce the complexity of the user interface. Despite its complexity, the theory offers a compelling explanation. The sheer complexity of the human brain continues to amaze scientists. We need to address the complexity of the supply chain to improve efficiency. He enjoys the complexity of chess and spends hours playing. The task's complexity necessitates a team effort. They underestimated the project's complexity and fell behind schedule. She was overwhelmed by the complexity of the legal documents. The company hired consultants to help manage the growing complexity of its operations. So, to recap, complexity means the state of being intricate or having many parts. We explored synonyms like intricacy, complication, sophistication, involvedness, and nuance, and antonyms like simplicity, ease, clarity, facility, and obviousness. We also saw how complexity is used in everyday conversations and common phrases. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of complexity helpful. Before you go, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn new words. I also want to challenge you to create your own sentence using the word complexity and share it as a comment below the video. I look forward to reading your examples. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.